Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium rare steak. First, gather your tools, including a reliable meat thermometer. This will be your best friend for ensuring that perfect doneness. We'll walk through each stage, from preparation to the final, delicious rest. Get ready to impress yourself and your guests with a perfectly cooked steak every time. Let's get started. Before cooking, pat your steak thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps create that beautiful, crispy crust. Season generously on all sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a touch of oil, then carefully place your steak in the pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until a deep brown crust forms. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Continue cooking, flipping the steak every minute or so to ensure even cooking. This method helps prevent one side from overcooking. Insert your meat thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding bone. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep a close eye on that temperature. Once your steak reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. This next step is crucial. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and juicy. Finally, slice your steak against the grain and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfectly cooked medium rare steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.